In this tutorial video, we are looking at the dictate function in Microsoft Office 365 Word app. To start dictation, come across on your toolbar and select Home. Scroll over to the right hand side, you'll see a blue microphone saying Dictate. When you click on the microphone, it will start dictation. It makes a sound to say that it's starting, and you can also see the blue circle around the microphone stating that it's recording. Full stop. New line. So you can see some features there that it's putting in a new line when I state new line with a pause, or full stop with a slight pause after it as well. Full stop. New line. I have a black pen, comma, a blue pen, and a green pen. Full stop. New line. So you can see there once again it's also using the comma. I'm now going to do out, say for instance, a list. So I'm going to say full stop, new line, start list, green pen, new line, black pen, new line, exit list, stop dictation. So you can see the likes of putting in the bullet points by saying start list and then new line to get the next bullet point. Another handy phrase is you can also say stop dictation, which will stop the dictation function rather than pressing the microphone. So just to recap, you can press the microphone to start again, sounds, and then you can continue talking. If you don't want to say stop dictation, then you can always just click on the circle and it'll stop recording. Some of the settings, click on the settings tab and you have enable auto punctuation, so you can turn that on or off, and same with filter sensitive phrases. And you can also change the spoken language here. Always click on save as well. So to recap, that's on the home tab and come across to dictation.